And now for our weekly look at legal issues in the news with our in-house legal expert, Attorney Tom Olson. This is Olson on Law.
Alan Spector here, your host for Olson on Law. We bring you this every Tuesday and Thursday at this time. It's longtime Orlando attorney Tom Olson. Good morning, Tom.
Good morning, Alan and crew and WFLA listeners.
And Tom, we're continuing our recent theme of talking about real estate deals, home sales, that sort of thing. And every day people are having work done on their homes, like, say, getting a new roof or a new AC system. How will that affect them when it comes time for them to sell that home?
When a homeowner does work on a home, the contractor must get a permit. When the work is done, the contractor calls for an inspection, and if the inspection is passed, then the permit is closed.
Well, that sounds simple enough. So what goes wrong here, Tom?
Well, sometimes the contractors forget to call for a final inspection, or maybe they called for a final inspection and the inspector was sick that day. Or maybe the inspection was done and the inspector wanted a little bit more work done before the work is approved.
So what's the problem with an open permit when it comes time to sell your home?
Well, historically, title companies have not been searching for open permits, but these days, when you sell your home, as part of that sale, the title company is searching for open permits, and that can be a real problem for you if it's work was done for a long time ago.
Yeah, and I would imagine it's also a problem if you do the work without getting a permit.
Exactly. You'd have to disclose that to the buyer. That would be a problem.
Yeah, so what's the bottom line here? What's the lesson for homeowners, Tom?
Well, when you have work done on your home, you might look at it and say, everything looks great, everything's perfect, I'm happy. But one more thing, make sure that the final inspection is done, it's been passed, and the permit has been closed.
As always, cross your T's and dot your I's. If you have legal questions, Tom will be happy to answer them on the Olson on Law show that is heard Saturdays at 10 a.m. on our sister station, 96.9 The Game. A reminder, Tom and I do the Thursday morning segments on Zoom, and you can watch the video live or later on Twitter and Facebook. Tom, thanks very much, and we will see you next Tuesday morning.
Thank you, Alan.
And remember, for all of your legal needs, call the Olson Law Group in Orlando.